All right, guys, welcome back to Mr. Post Frame. As you can see, I'm standing on a job site, and this is a 40 by 64. It's going to be a 1,200 square foot living area. So there's going to be 2 bedrooms, full bath, big open area with lots of windows. And then there's going to be a loft that's going to add another 600 or so square feet. And then there's going to be a 1,200 square foot garage. It's 14-foot sidewalls. It's got a wraparound porch. Sits in a beautiful setting. I'm going to break this job down into different sections, and we're going to calculate the time it takes me to do a task and then the overall time it takes me. I'm doing most of this primarily by myself. My dad will be involved in this at some parts. I think he's got 5 or 6 days here helping me so far. But we will break all that down into man hours and total time to give you guys a realistic time it'll take you to actually build your home or your shop or whatever the case may be. For this job, I'm building the entire structure, so that includes footings, it includes building the structure, doors, windows, installing all the metal. We're doing all of the under slab radiant heat prep, which you can see in the background. We are doing the interior framing, and I believe that is it. There might be a couple other things that we fill in there. The client is a friend of mine, so I can get the time that it takes, the electrician, the plumber, all that kind of good stuff to add into this, so you guys get a realistic expectation of what all the time involved in building is going to be. As we go through this, these plans will be available through our architectural firm, back40buildings.com. So if you guys are interested in these, let us know. We can hook you up with the plans. We can change some things if you'd like. Couple things, the pier video, I did not do a really detailed video on that because we have a lot of good detailed pier videos that we'll leave in the description if you guys are interested in that. As far as the piers went, I came here, laid this building out, drilled all the holes in one day. I came back the next day, poured them in the morning, and we were done sometime midday. So we had roughly a day and a half in the piers. I think that's all I didn't do a really detailed video on up to this point. Other than that, I'm going to be covering all the different trims. So every step that it will take to get your building built, I will include the details in this video series. Like I said, we have a wraparound porch, so we'll detail all that out, how you build a post and beam porch, tie it into your building, all that kind of good stuff we will include in this. So hopefully you guys watch this series. I think it's going to be interesting. We've never really talked about time before, and we get that question a lot, so we're going to really dive into that in this series. So hopefully you guys will come back and watch these as we start releasing them. With all that being said, this first video is coming to a wrap. If you guys want to self-build, if you want to GC, if you're a builder getting into post frame, check out our Patreon. It's a group just for you guys. We talk about different topics. It's a great community of other people just like yourself. You can share your build on there. We do lives. It's an awesome community, so check that out. Also, we have design services. Back 40 Buildings is our architectural firm, so we can help you out with plans, whether you want to check out some of our stock plans and modify them, or you want to do a full custom plan, we can help you out. We do stick frame, post frame, and steel frame. But as always, we appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, share us with your friends, and we will catch you on the next video.